welcome to the mix. And on the mix, Gracie. Now she's saying that sometimes you have to take the time off from social media so that you don't get into the mix up and, dabble in whatever there is out there. So she takes time off at times for that. And you have to go and check out her video and what she has to say. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment your honest opinion on this post. And have a wonderful day.
Yes. Me nah look pon them. And me nah drop no word pon them, nah look them direction, make them feel special night, yeah. No, they're not. No knowings with them, yeah, man. Yeah, then I me don't know them. I don't know them. I don't know where they spring out of this tonight, yeah. But I don't know them. I don't know if you know them, but me don't know them. Yes, I don't know them. I don't know them. Yeah, I don't know them nationals. I don't know. Maybe we don't know them, but me don't know them at all. I don't know them at all. Never remember say them this still about. Yeah, I never remember them still about. God, you know what? Just keep me on your journey, huh? Come see Satan rise up in every angle. Keep me on your journey, Jesus. Keep me on your journey, Lord. Carry me through, bring me through, Jesus. Bring me through, Jesus. Lord God, me head hurt me tonight. What a heaviness upon you tonight for me come for your head lick me. For me reach me head start lick off. What a heaviness upon you tonight, Yeshua. Eh? For me reach me head a lick. Me I tell you, I'm dinner, me not look upon them, you know. Me not go look upon them. I will not be looking at them, Yeshua. I will not be looking at them. I'll be holding my head straight. Let me not see them, not hear them. Mm-hmm. Yes, I'll be looking my head straight like I don't see them, not hear them tonight. Yes, I don't see them and I don't hear them. I not even look on their life. Your screen is vanished from every corner of your mind. You see it? That's also a devastation. Anytime you see me take a while from the social media, because this social media, you sometimes you have to detox out your body out of it, yeah, man. You can't just go. And now detox. You need to detox your mind, your body out of the social media, so yeah. Because it's a weird, down, heavy burden, something upon the social media, yeah. Yes, it's a weird, down, heavy burden upon the social media, so I need for weirdo. Just detox your mind all tight and make your mind focus on something else. And don't focus on what one fire cause sometimes I feel like I want to detox out of social media, you know. Anytime I take